Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Allianceblock NXRA. Is Nexera a pure and true utility gem? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of Nexera. At the time of the recording, Nexera is up 8.83% for the day. The price is 13 cents, so this is close to 14 cents, 0.1377. It has gone up from 0.1122, the lowest of the day, almost, yeah, 1203. Okay, so uh, 0.1203, yeah. The volume is also good, dollar 1.93, and it is rising now, guys. The volume is rising, so you know what happens when the volume rises. Basic technical analysis 101. When the volume rises, if the price is in the bottom end of stuff, it tends to rise, and when it is basically overbought, then it tends to sell. Check this out, guys. Check this candle out. A really great candle over here. It is now basically uh, it has broken the resistance line over here. 0.1375 is broken. It is being tested basically. And in my opinion, this will break real soon, and then we fly. Obviously, not financial advice, but I think this will break. Then the other resistance will be tested, and eventually they will break. Everything will break when it comes to Nexera in the short term as well as in the long run. In my opinion, this is one of my favorite projects out there. It can really be huge in the future, guys. Multi-billion dollar project in the medium term. So, but not financial advice, like as I always say. The market cap is $105 million. So yeah. So why do we say that Nexera is gonna rise? The reason is that Nexera is continuing to build utility and give Nexera token utility as well. So when we talk about a utility coin, it means that the token is utilized in that ecosystem. There are many projects that claim to give utility to the token, but not really. The token does not have any utility. It does not have any use case. It is just there for the sake of it. But as the Nexera team says, as this article here says, let me show you. Okay, so from Allianceblock to Nexera, a shift towards digital asset community growth. A really great article. We're going to be checking that out as well. The foundation nurtures its ecosystem and enhances the utility of the Nexera token. So this means that the enhancement of the utility of the Nexera token is there. It is on the radar. It is on the priority list of the of Team Nexera. So yeah, before we get on to the article, let me show you this. This is Rashid, little sneak peek of what is coming next. Check the block for more details. A really slick and clean interface, guys. I really like it. I like when something is really well made. So this is Nexera Funders version 2. So what is this, guys? This is the product update. Nexera is thrilled to introduce you to Funders version 2. This is the first release phase of Funders and reveals a complete redesign of the front end interface and a ground up rebuild of the back end infrastructure as well. So I really like it. Constant developments, constant evolution, constant progress. That is awesome. Compliant fundraising is now a reality. So basically, Funders is there for fundraising and it is compliant. Nexera is totally compliant. It basically checks, tick marks everything that a good project should be, considering legality of stuff. So Compliant fundraising is now a reality with the integration of Nexera ID onto the platform. You guys know about the Nexera ID. It is basically the tool to connect centralized finance or the traditional finance with the decentralized finance, DeFi. We've talked about it time and again, but just to give you a small summary, guys, you know that anonymity is so much important in crypto, in DeFi, and being of having some information is really important for the traditional players. So here comes Nexera ID. This basically when you provide your data, your age, and everything to it, it remains anonymous, but it is there to show the traditional players that, yeah, this person complies by your rules, the age is matched, everything, it is tick marked, basically giving them a green signal without showing showing them your identity. So this is how it should be, the bridge between centralized finance, or sorry, the traditional finance legacy system and the decentralized finance. Trillions, we're talking about trillions, guys. Anyways, so, the integration of an Nexera ID onto the platform and the utility of Nexera is enhanced. So Nexera, as much utility it had, now the team is officially saying that it will be enhanced with rewards for users who are staking their tokens. It is going to be increasing. Expect advanced tokenization and fractionalization features for real-world asset projects in the near future as well. So this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. This is the blog of Nexera, Nexera Funders version 2. Till the time it opens, let me show you this article over here as well. From Allianceblock to Nexera, a shift towards digital asset community growth. By 2030, approximately 10% of global wealth is expected to be tokenized. Do you know how much is 10%, guys? This is awesome. We're talking about global wealth, and Nexera is basically having a huge chunk in this 10% because it is the front runner. It is a project that is real. It has been building since a long time. 10x from here I think one of the most easiest 10x's around in crypto, in my opinion. Obviously, anything can happen. It can happen. You remember the hack, the bonk hack. Although Nexera, the Alliance block wasn't exploited, but still, I'm talking about crypto. We're talking about crypto. Anything can happen to even good projects. Even Ethereum got hacked in its initial phases. So yeah. Anyways, so we're talking about billions, guys. The foundation nurture trillions, sorry. The foundation nurtures its ecosystem and enhances the utility of the Nexera token. Nexera finances standardized infrastructure for digital assets. Nexera Finance, the flagship initiative of Nexera Foundation, aims to spearhead the tokenization revolution by providing a suite of tools and services tailored to the needs of institutions and businesses. We always talk about tokenization. We always talk about tokenization, guys, but tokenization wouldn't come suddenly. I mean, projects like Nexera, they're working hard. They're basically spearheading this revolution. They're providing tools, services like Nexera Exchange, like Nexera ID, like Nexera Funders Raising version 2, Funders version 2. These products and tools are what is going to be basically instigating that tokenization revolution and triggering it for, and the institutions and businesses, they won't trust DeFi, they won't trust the crypto industry, the wild west of finance that easily. We need projects that are true, that are sincere, and they basically help them transition towards this, to come over to this side of finance, guys. So yeah, the transition comes at a time when the global wealth landscape is poised for substantial transformation. You guys know the inflation rates and everything, with an estimated 10% of total wealth projected to become tokenized by 2030. So, if you invest in this project right now and forget about it, a long term cold storage hodl, even if you do not trade, and although profit taking, I recommend it, I encourage it, rotations even, but even if you hodl by 2030, in my opinion, it can give substantial gains, but obviously not financial advice. Anything can happen, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Because tokenization is going to be real by 2030. It's going to be huge, in my opinion, in the next era. the crypto narratives. We saw AI giving so much gains. We saw Fetch AI. I made a video on that. You guys can check that out as well. I made a video on AI coins. So yeah, RWA is going to be a huge narrative in the upcoming times. So obviously, short term, medium term, long term, a really wonderful project. Democratizing financial markets, Nexera finances blockchain infrastructure. Simultaneously, Nexera Foundation will concentrate its effort on nurturing its ecosystem. So, guys, it is not enough to basically have a good project and they have a good brand, having a good transition. You need a good token as well that has utility and not it is not basically pumped by mere speculation, by mere hype. The token is utilized somehow, but be it gas fees or anything of that sort, and even I mean, there should be a use case of the token staking and a lot of stuff happening in the payments industry that we're talking about. Tokens being utilized, XRP aiming to be utilized to become an intermediary between fiat and crypto and quadrillions of assets that people talk about, that influencers basically talk about. So, yeah, so Nexera is no different. It is the pure personification of what utility should be, according to the team and this article, enhancing the utility of the native Nexera token and promoting community growth. So basically, community is also needed for a project to grow, and the utility of a token is also needed. And innovation. Nexera Foundation envisions a collaborative environment where stakeholders can actively participate in shaping the future of decentralized finance, guys. So this is a big announcement. Allianceblock is transitioning to Nexera. We already covered this. Made Nexera Finance a leading force in compliant tokenized finance, catering to the needs of institutions and businesses. This term, guys, tokenized finance, this is going to be a key term and a hashtag going forward. You're going to seeing you will see it. Tokenized finance, tokenization. The transition reflects the culmination of development efforts aimed at laying the groundwork for the tokenized finance era. Nexera Finance's infrastructure represents a step towards democratizing access to financial markets while streamlining business processes and eliminating the need for intermediaries. So, this is great, guys. No need of intermediaries, a true decentralized spirit, and also connecting the legacy system, the traditional system, so the best of both worlds for traditional world as well as the crypto realm. This project has it all, in my opinion, but anything can happen. But it still remains to be one of my safe bets for the long term, medium term, even short term. By leveraging blockchain technology, Nexera Finance aims to create new investment opportunities, improve liquidity, and enhance transparency across markets. So, what do you guys think about Nexera, guys? What do you guys think? How much would it basically get from this share of 10% that we're talking about? That global wealth, or approximately 10% of global wealth, is expected to be tokenized. What share do you think Nexera will get? And what will its market cap be in 5 years from now? I want you guys to comment this below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, folks, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.